Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Glisten garbage disposal cleaner packs. So you get 4 of these packs. You're going to put this whole pack in your garbage disposal. It's got some dry powder in there. Okay, so before you put it in your garbage disposal, you're going to turn your faucet on hot water, let it run for a minute. Then you want to make sure your garbage disposal is empty. So mine is empty. Now after it's been running, you're going to turn this off to a pencil, about the size of a pencil. And you don't want it running directly into the garbage disposal. You want it off to the side. Now you're simply going to put the pack, this whole pack in there. Just put it in there and you turn your garbage disposal on. Now if you have a double sink, that will start popping up in the other sink next to it. I still have my garbage disposal on. And again, this is the Glisten garbage disposal. It is really doing some work down in there. All right, now I'm going to turn my water on a little bit, rinse this off. Alright, I'll run some more hot water through here for a little bit. Turn my garbage disposal off. Alright, let's take a look. Looks like it did a pretty good job. It smells really good. Okay, so it looks like it just lists a couple ingredients. Lemon and myrcene. Now it does say this is a bleach alternative. So we really do like using these. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.